Okay. So he was the one who helped me out here in order to finalize the service. That's the most happening part here. Hello, good morning and welcome back to the channel, guys. As I told you before itself, right now I'm leaving to Bangalore in order to get my Royal Enfield first service done. I'll explain about the cost which is going to take up. That is, first thing, what is the service cost, what is the engine, what is the exact service cost, first service cost basically. And one more thing, I just need to put the knuckle guards are there, the crash guards which are there, I need to put that, and I have to get the saddle stay thing done at JC Road, Bangalore. I don't know whether it's opened or not due to the viral thing. I have to get it confirmed first. My 15 days of review, I've driven almost 433 kilometers, and once I reach Bangalore it will be almost 500 kilometers. So that's the reason I'm taking my vehicle today to the first service. I'm searching for the butterfly crash guard, but I'm not able to get it. I'm trying out from many places. I've checked it online, but I've not got it. But today we'll check it on JC Road. Only the drawback I found in this vehicle is that it lacks its second gear. It will not take that good pickup at second gear, but once it is at any kind of humps, it will lag. Guys, I just want to thank you people for supporting me like this. So my Enfield video which is there, the delivery video which I have done, it has got almost 2200 to 2300 views. I thank you for that and I appreciate for your support. Please do subscribe for the channel. Please do support us. I'll be vlogging on this. I'll be going for the big tours. Probably this Saturday we'll be going to a place in Karnataka called Shivamogga. It's almost 200 kilometers from my hometown. So that's the reason we are leaving there. I'll be exploring a lot of places like Gondi Dam, and I'll be going to Gajnoor Dam as well. And most of the water places I'll be trying to visit. So that's the reason I'll be going there. And these roads are getting repaired from past 2 years and it's not been done properly yet. TMP, what are you doing? So feels like good off-roading in this vehicle. You know what, the best part is that you don't feel anything. You really don't feel anything on this vehicle once you drive. This and all are nothing. The small potholes, this humps are nothing for this vehicle. It goes like very smooth. So time is 9:30, but my appointment was fixed at 10 in the morning. I'm still here in Tumkur itself. I can't reach Bangalore by half an hour. It will be almost 10:30 or 10:45, 11 in the morning. I have to check whether they're going to accept the things or not. But whatsoever, I have to request them and I have to do the things in a better way. But HSR, they're really supportive. And today I'll check out what all the service they're going to do first. I'll have to first check whether the camera is allowed inside or not. If they're allowing me the camera inside, that will be great then. I don't know basically where the Magadi Road HSR Royal Enfield service center comes. I have to find it, or where actually it comes. And this indicator is broken due to there was a fall of my vehicle once while it was standing. Keep one more thing and do remember one thing, guys. This vehicle is a bit heavy, so whenever you place it on a softer mud, please check that you don't have any sort of hard stones over there. If you have that hard stone, this is the condition you will have. That I have to get it fixed today. So I'll stop vlogging right now as it's just a boring highway till Bangalore. You have seen the Bangalore highway as I've shown it in my previous vlogs many a times. So I'll stop it as of now and I'll start once I reach Bangalore, when I'm almost reaching to the service center point. And these mirrors are not that great. I have to get it fixed. It's good, but only bad thing is that this mirror is not fixed properly. Yes guys, I just reached Bangalore right now. I'm entering into Bangalore. That is a flyover which is at the entrance of the which is the entrance point of Bangalore, what I believe basically, but it's not the entrance point. I've entered Bangalore almost half an hour before itself, but I basically consider this is entrance point of the Bangalore. Why? Because actual traffic starts from here itself. I literally take more half an hour to possibility to reach my destination as the Google map shows. I don't have the phone mount here, so that's the reason I'm not able to mount my phone here and place my GPS on there and put a charge. And it's showing 28 minutes from now, so I'll be reaching approximately by 11 o'clock in the morning to the showroom. Yes guys, they've told me to wait here for almost 1 hour, so I'm sitting here and waiting for the service to be done. By that time, what we'll do is we'll watch some movies or something like that, because the the waiting lounge is not available here. I have to sit outside the showroom service center. That's it. I have no other go. So oil has got drained, and this is how it is getting first is done. So things are getting done in a proper manner. So now they are about to remove other filter which is there. I'll show you the filter which is there. We're going to remove the oil from that filter that's there. We're going to remove the oil from that filter that's there.
So ಏನು filter ಇದು? Oil filter. So this is the oil filter. Now they're checking of the brake pads. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಇದು? ಸಿರಾಮಿಕ್ ತರಬೇಕಾ? ಇದೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ? The brake pads are getting serviced. They'll not change the filter, but they'll change only the oil. That's it. The filter will remain the same because it's as if the vehicle is new. Filter will not be changed. So after this, the lube. So he was the one who helped me out here in order to finalize the service. That's the most happening part here. There's no permission to vlog, but even though I got the permission for vlogging.
Finally, it's 3 in the afternoon. When I reached, it was 11. I waited long till now, and the servicing is done. Right now I'm leaving to JC Road in order to get the parts of this. Now it's more better when compared to the older one. Out of the service, it has got very good throttle response. It is moving like anything. So that is what actually I wanted. So now I just want to move to JC Road. I'll find out in the maps. Feels better, but I have to go with a long drive. Then only I have to get to know. When I go to Tumkur, I'll get to know. So now the reason behind heading towards JC Road is not to get the spares. So I did not get the indicator in here. I shall have to find out, and then I have to go to the JC Road. So what I'll do is I'll switch off the camera as of now. I'll get back to you once I'm done with the vlogging part, when I reach JC Road, Bangalore. Yes guys, everything is finished. I just left from Bangalore right now, and can you see the portion? It's all dark, but you can just see only the lights and all. A lot of modifications on my Himalayan. It's done. The crash guard is done. Saddle stay is done, and I have the first service is also finished, and I've got my lights done at the bottom. Everything is done basically. I'm leaving to Tumkur. It's already 7:30. I just wanted to leave early to Tumkur itself because I had some work there. But I don't know what happens now, but I have to rush as early as possible. So that's the reason I'm not vlogging. So if you can see the lightning which came there, that is the reason I just switched on my camera. They just told me that I can go at 80 kilometers to 100 kilometers an hour. There is no issue because now the first service is done and they've removed the cut which was there. Like whatever I rev, it was not going that fast, but now once I accelerate, it goes like anything. So guys, that's it for this vlog. What I'll do is I'll be posting whatever I've purchased with the price and with the place which I purchased this. Purchase all the accessories today. That I'll be posting in the next vlog. As of now, I'll end this. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. If you have not yet liked, please like. If you have not commented, please do it, so that I can understand what else I can do, what better I can do, what changes I can do. And thank you for supporting me till this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.